Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Things, but for today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to use Chirp app. So, in this case, you might be wondering how do you use the Chirp app here. So if you're not aware yet, the Chirp app here is actually a dating app here that you could use, and basically you're wondering how do you sign up? How do you use it? Well, first things first is you want to download the actual app. Now, you can download the app via Google Play Store here. So you can just type in Chirp and you should see Chirp Dating, Match, and Love. But in this case, I already installed this. Let's go and click on Open and start accessing the actual app. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to create your account. Now, there are two ways on, in this case, making your account here. So in this case, you go and continue with Google, or you can go and continue with your phone number. So in this case, you go and click on continue with Google here. And from here, it should ask you to choose your account. Let's go and choose one of our Google account here. And just wait for it to, in this case, fully load up. Now it's going to welcome you into Chirp. So in this case, just make sure to read all of this. But let's go and click on all of them. Well, again, make sure to, in this case, read them first. Let's go and click on next. And you can go and choose describe what you are. Click on next. And from here, you can go enter your preferred name and click on next. Next is you want to enter your birthday. Now from here, you want to go and select your preference. And from here on, you just want to answer some specific questions about yourself. So go ahead and do that. Now, once you've answered all those questions, you go and just provide 3 photos for your account here. Again, three photos are minimum. So let's go and click on the plus button here and upload one of those photos. Now from here, you could go and choose your prompt. Let's go and choose one and provide the answers for it. Let's go and choose the first one. Choose this one. And from here, go and provide your answer and click on next at the very bottom of your screen. Now from here, you could go and specify where you are currently based. So let's go and click on continue. But once you've set up your account, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, there's like 4 or 5 icons at the bottom of your screen here. And also, before you can actually use the platform, you may need to verify yourself first. So this just take around like 2 minutes here, which in this case, you want to go and just provide some information about yourself, like your face image content here, and 3D face verification. So just click on get started here in order for you to basically use the platform. But yeah, so in this case, there are different sections that you could access here. So you have your profile here if you want to edit that. And also you have your chat. So if you are currently talking to someone, this is where you should see it. And also in this case, this is where you should be able to see people that actually like you and match directly. So if you've matched with someone or you've someone actually like you, this is where you can see them. And also this section here, so this is a tip section for Chirp. So in this case, make sure to review your advice. Make sure you and others get the best possible experience from using Chirp here. So if you want to learn more about it, you can go and just visit the following articles here. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you get started here using Chirp, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.